Tankless or traditional? Let's talk water heaters. I'm Zach with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing. First, let's talk about tankless water heaters. Tankless will give you an endless supply of hot water, but it does require it to have power. It's heated by gas, but requires electricity to run. So that means no power, no shower. A tankless water heater needs to be flushed once a year. It also needs an inline descaler or a water softener to protect the warranty on the water heater. A tankless water heater can cost up to 3 times as much as a traditional water heater, but it could also last 3 times as long. Traditional water heaters come in various sizes. Generally, they run off gas, so if your electricity ever goes out in an emergency, you still have hot water. Maintenance on a traditional water heater requires that you flush it once a year and change the outer rod every 2 to 3 years. There are pros and cons to both tankless and traditional water heaters. A plumbing specialist from Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing would be happy to come out and help you make the decision that's right for you.